Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tongue and groove pliers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics 3-piece groove joint pliers set. The Amazon Basics Groove Joint Pliers set is a versatile collection of 3 quick-release pliers that you can use for various tasks. With sizes of 7 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches, these pliers are crafted from durable drop-forged CRV steel, ensuring they last through tough jobs. The slip joint design allows you to easily adjust the pliers for different sizes, making it convenient to grip various items. Plus, the PVC rubber dipped handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, so you can work confidently without slipping. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Olympia Tools 12-inch tongue and groove pliers. The Olympia Tools 12-inch tongue and groove pliers are made of high-carbon steel that is polished-coated to prevent rust, ensuring long-lasting superior performance. The ergonomic design with non-slip rubber, TPR, on the handle makes them comfortable to grip. The straight jaw with 90-degree precision-hardened teeth allows for gripping various shapes from any angle. The pliers smoothly adjust between 7 machined jaw positions and 2.7 jaw capacity, providing versatility and flexibility to the users. They also meet or exceed ANSI specifications. At number 3, we have the Crescent Mini Straight Jaw Tongue and Groove Pliers RT24 CVS. Crescent Mini Pliers RT24 CVS 05 are versatile and durable tongue and groove pliers. The straight jaws have an offset and self-locking adjustment grip, ensuring a tight grip in any configuration. The rivet construction with precision machined joint interlock provides smooth, positive joint action without slipping position or coming apart under load. The unique tooth design grips tighter and provides increased torque with less effort. Made of alloy steel construction with induction-hardened teeth, these pliers offer maximum durability. With 4 jaw positions, you can adjust the pliers to fit any size object, providing flexibility and comfort. These mini pliers are a great addition to any toolbox, providing a firm grip and increased torque with less effort, making your work easier and more efficient. At number 2, we have the IRWIN Tools VISE-GRIP Groove Joint Pliers. These 6-inch pliers are constructed from durable nickel chromium steel with machined jaws for maximum gripping strength and induction-hardened cutting edge for longer-lasting sharpness. The pliers feature anti-pinch, non-slip Pro Touch grips that provide comfort, control, and less hand fatigue. The curved jaw design is versatile for gripping a variety of work surfaces with right-angle teeth that grip in all directions for maximum bite and no-slip jaw action. The pliers also have a rust-resistant finish, ensuring long-lasting durability. And finally, at number 1, we have the Channellock 432 Tongue and Groove Pliers. The Channellock 432 Tongue and Groove Pliers are 10 inches long and made of high-carbon C1080 steel, specially coated for ultimate rust prevention. The pliers feature right-angle, laser heat-treated teeth that grip better and last longer, and an undercut tongue and groove design that won't slip. The patented reinforcing edge minimizes stress breakage, and the Permalock fastener eliminates nut and bolt failure. With 7 jaw adjustments and a V-jaw design, these pliers give you more points of contact on round or square objects for a better grip. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.